Nolo Probate process pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people dread probate, thinking it's expensive and complicated, but the surprising truth is that Nolo provides clear, affordable guidance to navigate the process with confidence. Nolo offers probate guides, forms and step-by-step instructions starting at for individual forms around for comprehensive digital guides. These resources cover everything from filing probate petitions to managing estate assets and distributing inheritances. Some packages include attorney review, templates and checklists to streamline the process. For example, an executor managing a small estate can use Nolo's forms and guidance to file necessary documents, calculate taxes and notify heirs, all while minimizing costly mistakes. Clear instructions reduce confusion and help ensure the estate is settled efficiently. Most people get this wrong by assuming probate guidance requires hiring an attorney for every step. Nolo's resources provide reliable, lawyer-reviewed materials that are far more affordable while still legally accurate. In conclusion, Nolo Probate process resources offer strong value. They simplify a complex legal process, save money, and empower executors to handle estates confidently and correctly.